Hi everyone, I have something really exciting for you today. As you know, I love my home and I love taking care of it. Today we are going to test out and set up the Aiper IrriSense 2 smart irrigation system right in my very own front yard. This is the world's first 4-in-1 multi-zone smart irrigation system. I can't wait to try it out. For those of you who struggle with watering your lawn, whether you are not getting enough water to your plantings or grass, it's not looking good, or if it's just too complicated, this video is for you. Let's get started and try it out. I have it right here and we're going to set it up. What makes this different is that it replaces multiple traditional irrigation components. So everything is all in one place. So rather than having separate valves, controllers, sprinklers, or feeding systems, this is going to do everything for you. Before we get started, I do want to give a shout out to Aper. I have a few of their robot pool vacuums. I love this company. They have innovative home technology solutions. I'm a big fan, so I'm really excited to give this a go. The install honestly surprised me. It took about 15 minutes, no professional tools, no digging up the entire yard, and no complicated planning. Once it's in, you're basically ready to go. The maximum spray distance is up to 39 feet with coverage up to 4,800 square feet. So I have it set up. You can see that was super easy. We're going to give it a try. I do want to mention, if you haven't noticed, that I have a lot of unique plantings around my front yard. It's been very challenging for me because some of the plantings and shrubbery and flowers require different watering schedules, different watering amounts. So what's beautiful about the IrriSense 2 is that I can create custom maps for each of my zones, and I can set separate schedules. So they will be adjusted through the app, which I'll show you in a minute, and it's very, very easy to use. So the first thing I did was I set up a mapping, which basically you do through the app, and you can take a little look to see what that looks like. It's very intuitive. Basically what you're doing is you're enabling your power supply, and then you have the hose going into the back of the unit. And through the app, you're able to then adjust to where the limits are, the border lines of where the watering should go in each of the areas. So I have that all set up. We're gonna turn it on and I'll show you how it's working. So this is what it looks like in the app, and I set the different zones. So we're gonna do the center island. I have it set for 1 minute, and then we hit start, and you're going to see how it automatically goes to the center island. It will cover the entire island. Very, very cool. It's working great. Everything looks terrific there. Here it is watering the lawn evenly with consistent pressure, and it automatically adjusts so you don't get dry spots or overwatering. IrriSense 2 features a weather sense response system that automatically pauses watering during rain and adjusts schedules based on forecasts, providing up to 40% water savings compared with traditional watering systems. IrriSense 2 features even rain technology, which simulates natural rainfall with adaptive respray to eliminate blind spots and protect soil and seedings. It also supports nutrient dispensing, which means feeding your lawn and plants can happen automatically without extra tools or steps. So as you can see, I am in love now with my Aiper IrriSense 2 smart irrigation system. I can just sit back in my front lawn, relax, and have it do its magic. I also want to mention that there is a tracking system, which looks like this in the app itself. So you can actually monitor the water usage, and you can see per zone if your plants, your grass are getting the coverage they need. What I love so much about this system is that it is completely hands-free. It was super easy to set up. No surprises there. Aper always comes through. It is very specific to my front lawn and its needs. And honestly, my lawn has never looked better, so I'm really excited to continue to use it. So if you're looking for an easier, smarter way to care for your lawn, this is definitely the way to go. Check out the Aiper IrriSense 2. I will go ahead and put a link to the Aper website in my description. I do have a code, and you can use that to receive 5% off. I'm so happy I set this up. I'm so glad I had the opportunity to share my review with you. Of course, no surprises there. Aper is such a wonderful and innovative technology brand. Please let me know if you have any questions. I would be more than happy to answer them. And if you know anyone who would really like the product as much as I do, please share it with them. It has been such a game changer for me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy, get outside, breathe some fresh air, take a look at your beautiful lawn. See you all soon.